all night. Say it, I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it, I wanna all night. Hello, stranger, babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that, ass is still amazing. Playing, babe, saying, babe, love it, just know. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to a week and in my life. I feel like I'm doing so much this weekend, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. And today we're starting at Jack and Will's. If you guys don't know about this place, don't come here. But I'm gonna go and get a nice burger. So let's go. Anyways guys, we're doing a little food review. Not really food review because I've had this before, but
we're just eating.
Eat with us. Ooh. Yes. I miss this burger. It's so good. So good. So I got myself a little caramel slice. Cheers. Caramelized fusion. My go-to.
Someone to be arrested for what happened to Mike. Or Denise. I'll say that. I didn't think it was in.
Okay guys, teamwork makes the dream work. Celebrating 200 followers, well, subscribers. Way over way. Oh my god.
Yeah, no. This girl can't fucking drive with the camera.
That was everyone else's. But we just finished our shopping and I'm making dinner tonight. That's my role, responsibility. And what are we having? We're having some bell pepper steak, some rice, and I'm gonna make some vegetables as well on the side, of course. I'm trying to like learn how to eat my veggies in the way that I like it.
Fun fact, Yvonne would never eat her veggies as a child. She was a loser.
I'm not a loser, I just didn't like the texture.
So what are we doing at the gym today?
Well, I actually haven't done my glutes in so long.
Thanks, I really wanted to do glutes. I was hoping that was what
I've been literally doing my back.
I'm trying to get back into the gym because I just went on a holiday and I really, okay, that's not why I let loose. I never go to the gym. I wanted to lie so bad. Yeah, I never go to the gym.
The way I was literally side eyeing you.
I'm about to move to a new house, so I feel like I need to start being in a healthy routine and start now. Like maybe I might go to the gym a little bit.
Late.
How much times have I said in your vlog that I was gonna start like
New Year's vlog? And guys, it's October now.
You don't need to have a new year to change.
Yeah,
that's so fake. New Year's are so fake because of that reason.
If you tell yourself you're going to start on a new year, you do it for a new day. It is the biggest setup.
Because realistically, like, what about it being a start of a new year makes anything different? If you were never in that mindset, you're not gonna just wake up one day and be like, yeah, I'm gonna be grinding hard. No. A lot of people try to jump to like the physical changes that they want to make when the whole time they have inner work to do first.
You need to work on like organizing your day, your discipline,
work, just
your diet, having time to actually make your meals and like prioritize yourself.
I just jump into it, like gradually add more and more things that you want to do. Like if you want to go to gym and then go for runs and this, don't just think that you can just one day wake up and say, yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym 3 times, I'm gonna go take a run 2 times a week, when you haven't been doing anything close to that ever.
When I first started going to the gym, I literally used to do once a fortnight, like for a good 4 months. And then I slowly started going to once a week and then twice a week. And yeah, like I didn't push myself to go like, oh my goodness, I need to go.
If I push myself, that's when I give up so quick, because I feel like it's so much more difficult than it actually is.
We are home, guys. Pardon? Happy Halloween to all those who celebrate, all my bad bitches who celebrate Halloween. We are heading to our Halloween party. This is my look. Hi guys, happy Saturday. Last night's Halloween party, I don't even know how to feel. Maybe it's the fact that I was like late as hell, but shit happens guys. We're literally just girls, like come on now. But it was something. At least there was like a DJ, so the music was good. I think that's about it. I think maybe I'm just meant to like be doing my own thing, like having my own habits. So today it is Saturday and I am outside my gym right now ready to train. I think I'm going to do a full body dumbbell type of workout because I can. But I have a really busy day today. I'm taking my girl out for dinner. It is her birthday. Well, it was her birthday last Friday, but I was in Melbourne, so I couldn't celebrate with her. I'm excited. I actually don't even know what I'm gonna wear. I have like a few tops, but it's the bottoms that I'm just like really struggling with right now. But you know me, I always end up, you know, making it work, making some shit shake. You guys already know I can't record in this gym. I can't wait to move because then I can go to a gym that lets me record. Anyways, let me go work out. Yeah. Guys, I just finished my workout and it is raining so bad right now. Like, oh my goodness. Like, this is, oh my god, I'm so scared. Guys, look how gorgeous these flowers are. The way the wind was literally putting them through it. Guys, these are the most beautiful flowers ever. Like, I love getting people flowers that I would like, because why would I get you some bum ass flowers that I wouldn't even want in my own house? Excited, so excited to go to dinner. Yeah, sorry guys for abusing your ears. My skin is glowing. I love it.
Ooh, because hello, what is this? So beautiful. I even love lilies.
Yes,
lilies.
yes.
Actually, you don't even know where flow we're going to.
I feel like it's ground.
Yeah.
Don't worry, we won't get stuck. The first time I was here, I got stuck. I've been wondering all day, tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind when it
back to the a la carte menu. If I want to start with a brand I can do, maybe one brand you start with and one or two days.
Can I just get can I get fresh food? Without the food?
I can certainly double check that one, but I'll check it at the end.
But it looks so good. I'm getting excited to eat. I don't like, I starved myself. It's not really, look, it's a bit dark in the photo. See, that doesn't even help. like literally tastes like heaven. It's so, oh my god, the lighting is so good. Some of the good one, just think for yourself. Thank you so much. Good afternoon, everyone. It is Sunday afternoon. I hope everyone had like a really good day, because I did. I've been having like a really good morning so far. So right now I'm just outside the shopping center and I'm getting my toes redone. I'm thinking I'm going to do like a pink moment. I've been really liking that clean pink look, so I think that's what I'm gonna go for. And we're gonna hit the gym today, but I'm thinking I'm gonna do a yoga class.
Forgot to tell you. Yeah. I lied!
Yes, I'm gonna do some yin yoga. I'm pretty sure I have that at 4:45. It's currently 2:02 p.m. so I've got a good 2 hours and 40 minutes to just get my toes done, and then I can head to the gym, which is not too far from here. Hey guys, so I'm currently at chapter 4, this really cute cafe in Paddington, and I'm really excited because they do this thing called cake painting, which, oh, hey, oh, you look so cute. But yeah, they do this thing called cake painting, and I'm gonna be trying that. So, you guys know I don't know how to paint, but I'm gonna give it a go anyway. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, she looks like a Barbie, like, oh my gosh. Yes. Give it up for Linny. So guys, Linny is actually now licensed.
It's official. I am now licensed!
Yay! Oh, that's so cool. I think I should mix it first.
I don't like how sweet it is. If I could get water and water, no, I'm joking. It's nice, yeah.
What's the difference?
Can I try yours today?
Oh, what's the difference?
Can I try yours after the next? Yours has coffee.
I love the like
The way it's getting passed around. It's serious.
okay, dirty means
And then
coffee.
actually,
Yeah, it means coffee. That makes so much sense. Now we understand. Is it good?
Quit stalling and give me one.
Bow. No, it's it's so yummy. Oh my gosh, that is so amazing.
Hey, Yvonne, where's your outfit from?
This one came out. This one's
Well, yeah, that's Yvonne's outfit of the day.
Evening.
Guys, this length is sending me.
It's like so office length.
I know, but
Oh my god, what you know about a baddie?
guys, it's already looking cute from here.
That's what I mean. Wow. Yeah, this eats down. I love the I like the white one and this blue one. Oh my god. These bags are literally to die for. How's it smell?
It smells really clean. Like,
I just love Paddington. It is so cute, so pretty, and I literally just had the most amazing day today with my girls, my mama. So I get to go home and sleep. So much walking was done.
it was so help me, Dad.
Guys, look at our setup. Oh my gosh. Yay. My bacanas. I'm such a clumsy person that I don't think this is a good idea. Such a beauty print.